Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram post. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile picture. You want to scroll down and refresh the Instagram so it will be ready to process your files. Then you want to click on the plus sign on the lower middle side of the settings and you want to click and select an image or video you want to upload. In our case, this is the one we're going to select, and with the recent updates of Instagram, on the second step actually you're able to add music. It's very nice and simple. Just look at the top middle size of the screen. You have the note icon. When you click on the note icon, first thing you want to get is the recommendation. This is the For You page, meaning that this is seasonal most popular viral songs. Very important pro tip over here. You want to pay attention to the length of each of these songs. The first one is 3 minutes and 20 seconds, 2 minutes 30 seconds. So you want to adjust and pick the song that has the same or similar duration as your video. If you pick up longer one, it won't be fatal because you can adjust it, but if the song is shorter than your video, then you have troubles. Then you have to readjust it and pick another one. And now I'm going to show you, if you actually pick the wrong song that is shorter than the video, how you can actually fix it. Let's say, for example, let's pretend that you already pick up the song, you move to the next step, and now you realize the song is shorter. You do not have to go back to change the song. You can change the song from this particular page. Scrolling down, there is a setting which allows you to add music. We'll show you over here which song did you select. It's beginning to look like Christmas. Then you can click and simply replace the song from here. You don't have to go back. Simple, clear, visual. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.